Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Mazda 3 Max Sport Sedan, stock reference number 4686. The shape runs from the 4th month 09 through to the 10th month 13. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a flat tyre. Left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left hand sill skirt, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, right boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, we have the right hand sill skirt, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, sat nav type, display cluster, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visors, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.